For today's video, we will be using the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. I've used this mask in the past, but it's been so long that I honestly don't remember if I like it. I want to say I did, but I honestly didn't repurchase it, and I don't know if it's because it's kind of pricey or if it's because I didn't like it, but I'm almost certain that I did like it. We're gonna go ahead and try it today, kind of as a first impression because it's been so long since I've used this. And I remember that Briogeo was one of those brands that I saw at Sephora and I was like, oh my God, I need to have these products because they're expensive and they're gonna work. So I remember that this was probably one of my bigger purchases when it came to my natural hair products. So this one's brand new and was actually sent to me by Briogeo, so thank you to Briogeo. This is not a sponsored video. They just went ahead and sent me a ton of their products to try and review for you guys if I wanted to. So this is what it looks like. I do love that it comes sealed. We love it here. So this is what it looks like. So I don't know about you guys, but the one that gets stuck on the top does not go to waste. So we're gonna put this all up in our hair too. Every ounce of this product counts. So I'm gonna take about this much. It's a lot that was stuck on the cap. We're gonna add it to the perimeter of my hair. Okay. It's not even half of my hair. Let me split my hair properly. There's a whole chunk that's chilling in the back. All right, now this we're talking here. Okay, so it's pretty soft upon applying. This much more. I'm gonna work my way up with the product so I can stop overusing it. My heavy-handedness. Okay, so it's definitely very soft. And I like the scent. The scent is very light, kind of smells like honey. But it probably has no honey in it, it's just me coming up with these scents. So I am using the Flexi brush by Curlsmith. We're gonna brush through this first layer. How are my curls looking? Okay. Yeah, it's definitely very soft. I'll tell you that much. Very, very soft. Apply about this amount to this side as well. My hair is dry AF. I haven't washed my hair in 5 days, so. And I feel like whenever I work out, my hair just tends to be more dry, so I have to wash it twice a week when I am working out, which is typically, but what I'm saying is that when I go a few days without washing, my hair just feels like straw. I feel like washing it twice a week helps keep it moisturized. Ooh, okay, I'm not even talking about it. So this is what my hair is looking like so far. So far, so good. I've been super heavy-handed because I'm really trying to be better with that. So we're gonna section our hair off and add about this amount to this section. But these ends definitely need a trim. These ends are feeling hella dry. But working this product in, it does have a lot of slip. And I can feel that it's gonna be a very moisturizing mask. Brush that through. We're gonna go ahead and do the same twisting we've been doing in the last few videos. She's looking very moisturized, exactly what my curls needed. We're gonna repeat the same exact thing to this side and then throughout the rest of my hair. Okay guys, so my twists are all set, all moisturized, all in its form. So since this is a strengthening mask, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just actually follow the directions. I'm not gonna sit under the hooded dryer just because I don't think it's gonna be necessary, being that the time that it says to keep it in your hair is about 10 minutes. And since it does contain protein, I don't feel like it's necessary, since it's more of like a strengthening protein treatment mask, if that makes sense. I'm gonna just leave it for the time that it suggests. And yeah, I'm not gonna sit under the steamer today. I'm gonna show you guys my results afterwards, because a lot of you guys have been coming for me asking why I don't show my results after I rinse it out. And that's typically because I go ahead and film the second portion, or like another side of a video. So if you refer to my last deep conditioning routine, I actually did do a braid out. So my hair is obviously rinsed out. You guys can see my results post deep conditioning in that video, but I am going to share with you guys how it looks once I rinse it out. But yeah, so for now I'm just going to leave it in my hair for 10 minutes and then I will rinse it out and show you guys what it looks like. Okay guys, so it's been about, I want to say like 20 minutes, so I left them in a little longer, and I'm going to go ahead and unravel my twists and then rinse it out so I can show you guys what my hair looks like. This is just upon removing the twists. I'm not going to brush them out yet because I kind of want you guys to see. I feel like as they stayed longer in the twist, they started to clump up more. Look at this. Okay guys, so this is what this side is looking like just upon removing the twists. Do you guys see this shine? Excited. Let me go ahead and do the same to this side, and then we're going to brush it out and then rinse it out, and I'll show you guys what my results look like. Okay, so let's brush through it. Okay, Briogeo. We're at it again. Best is once you rinse it out. Of course, it's always nice to feel it nice and soft. But once you rinse it out, I feel like it's like when you really know, you know? I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out, but this is what it's looking like now. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so my hair is rinsed out and this is what my hair is looking like. First of all, it's feeling super duper soft, literally super soft. And look at how my curls are looking. Obviously you guys know the frizz life chooses me, so I'm not even out here looking for anything other than frizz. But what I will say is my curls feel super soft and moisturized. And yeah, this is what it's looking like. So for those of you who say I don't like to show it, you know, this is for you guys, because I always forget because I end up filming something else and I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to film it. And that's why I never actually close out those videos. What I have been doing is like coming back maybe the day that I want to post it, I'm like, oh guys, that was my routine, like, you know what I mean, just to close it out so it's not just abruptly ending. This is what my hair is looking like. I am gonna go ahead and style, and then I'll show you guys what that looks like too. But overall, feels super soft, definitely super soft. So I remembered exactly why I liked this deep conditioner, because I felt like it feels very strengthening. Definitely feels very strengthening. And I liked the fact that you don't have to leave it in for too long to get results. It also does contain very clean ingredients, and my hair just loves Briogeo products from what I've noticed. I do want to try more of their products. They sent over their leave-in. I think I got a shampoo. They sent over a few things that I'm going to start making videos on so you guys can see. But yeah, these are my curls. I'm going to style and then I will close out this video. Okay guys, so my hair is fully styled now and you guys will see exactly what I used in, I want to say the next video that I post. If I don't know exactly what I'm posting each video, but stay tuned for that. I only used one product. Can you guys believe that? I mean, my hair does feel really, really moisturized, so I do feel like maybe the deep conditioning had something to do with it. Who knows? I don't know. But I'm definitely excited to share that routine with you guys because it came out so freaking good. I'm so excited. But anyways, as far as the deep conditioner, I know this looks wet, but it's just damp, you know? I don't know why. It's not damp from the inside, but from the outside it is, so whatever. Anyways, as far as the deep conditioner, if you've thought about trying this product, highly recommend it. I do feel like it's more of a strengthening deep conditioner, although it does add a lot of moisture. If you're someone who's maybe going through your natural hair journey now and you find that protein-based products would work better for you, if you're someone who's not protein sensitive, if you are protein sensitive, this is not the product for you because it does contain protein. But if you are someone whose hair works really well with protein, then this is a really, really good mask for you to try. I do feel the strengthening properties of the mask, especially upon rinsing, your hair just feels like, I feel like you guys know what I'm talking about. I don't want to say it feels strong, but it definitely feels more like the elasticity starts to bounce a little more, and I don't know, your hair just feels overall just healthier. When you say that out loud, you're kind of just like, what the heck does that even, like, it sounds so crazy, but I feel like those of you who have tried protein treatments and like use protein-based masks, like, you know what I mean by that. But yeah guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already so you don't miss another video. But thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.